Need a proper rescue lead, please. Rescue lead.
I'm grabbing onto him, like I'm not letting go. And I was like, I've caught you and I will rescue you. At that point, they stopped fighting. We were sort of feeding him and giving him love.
Hungry, yeah?
Tail started wagging within about 3 minutes.
Oh, stinky boy.
So I think he figured out he'd had a life upgrade.
Very good.
We call it a stone dog. It's when the mange's gone so far, he looks like he's made of stone. Apart from like one strip of fur down his spine, which made him look like a little hyena, a little wild dog.
Baby, 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 baby. Good job.
Very good.
Very good job. You are beautiful.
The fosters made their way to the vet when we arrived.
Oh,
Wow.
yes.
What's this? A toy? Yeah. Come on, Chaz.
His foster like covered in his silly outfits and just loved.
The first boy.
Every week back to the vet for another medical dip and just worked with him slowly.
Good boy.
Is life good, Chaz? You bet it is.
Within a few days, it was literally a different dog.
This is what you want, Chaz, trust me.
About a month and a half in foster, and then they had a meet and greet on the beach.
They didn't want to give him up because they'd fallen in love with him, but he had to go back to New York, so